Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to toggle between hiding and showing an HTML input and select elements using JavaScript. First, we need to add the HTML elements that we want to show and hide. In the code, we have a button, an input element, and a select element. When the button is clicked, it will trigger the toggle JavaScript function. Next, we add the JavaScript function that will toggle the visibility of the input and select elements. In the toggle function, we first get a reference to the input and select elements using their IDs. Then, we check the current display style of the elements. If it's set to none, we change it to block to show the elements. Otherwise, we set it to none to hide the elements. The button text also changes based on the visibility of the elements. And that's it. You can now toggle the visibility of an HTML input and select elements with a click of a button. Don't forget to check out the GitHub repository linked in the description below for the complete code and resources. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!